Good morning to all my dear students. Already I have started your chapter number 9. In first periods, I discussed about what is the GP and what is the AP and some illustrated examples. In next periods, in previous periods, I have discussed some more illustrated examples. Now, today I start your illustrate examples number 14, page number 284. Open your page number 284, lesson number 9, geometric progression. A person deposits rupees 10,000 in a bank in a year 2009, rupees 20,000 in the year 2010, rupees 40,000 in the years 2011. The amount deposited in any given years is twice the amount of the deposit of the previous years. What would be the amount of the deposited in the year 2040? Now 2009, there is the amount deposited, it is the 10,000. Examples number 14. Next years means 2010, double, twice, 20,000. Next 2011, double, 40,000. So on up to 2014, up to 2014. And question is, what would be the amount of the deposit in the years 2014? Now, here what is the A? A is equal to 10,000. Now, ratio, already it is given twice, means the 2 times, means the second term divided by first term, या तो third terms divided by, so here it is the 2, and we want to find out the n is also given. Now from the 2009, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, 2014. So n is equal to 6. Now amount deposited in 2014 means at the end of the 6 years. Now apply the formulas. Tn is equal to a r raised to n minus 1. Already we have solved so many examples related to these formulas. Now what is the n is equal to 6. A means the first term 10,000 multiplied by ratio 2, n is equal to 6 minus 1. So is equal to 10,000 into 2 raised to 5. 10,000, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 2s are 16 2s are 32. So multiplied by 32 means 32. 2 raised to 5 means 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 2s are 16 2s are 32. 32 into 10,000 means the 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 3,20,000 rupees. Now next illustrate examples. Illustrate examples number 15. A water tank of a capacity of 50,000 liter is fully filled with the waters. There is the water tank and there is the 50,000 liters fulfilled. Every week the water level reduce the half of the previous one. Level 2 leakage due to leakage. There is, what will be the level of the water after 5 weeks? No new waters is added in the tank. So there is the 50,000 water tank. Now your illustrate examples number 15. 50,000 water tank. So here examples number 15. Now 50,000, then every week there is the half, means the 25,000 and so on. And we want to find out water level after the 5 years, water after the 5 weeks. Now what is the A is equal to, first term it is called the A, 50,000, R is equal to half, means the 20,000 upon 50,000, means the 1 upon 2. And question here it is given, what will be the level of the water after 5 weeks, after 5 weeks, means we can take it is the n is equal to, after 5 weeks means the there is the 5 plus 1, it is the 6. So water level after the 5 weeks, so n is equal to 6. Now apply the formulas. Tn is equal to AR raised to n minus 1. What is the A is given here? 50,000 multiplied by ratio 1 by 2. What is the n is equal to? 6 minus 1. 50,000 multiplied by 1 by 2 raised to 5 is equal to 50,000 multiplied by 1 upon 32. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. So here give the simplification. So it is approximate 1562.5. 1562.5. Now next illustrate examples number 16. Population of a city is 20 lakhs. If the population increase at the rate of 3% every year, find the population of the city after the 6 years. After 6 years. So here we take the n is equal to 7 after. So we take the plus 1. So it is the 6 plus 1, it is the 7. Now what is the A is equal to 20 lakhs. Your illustrate examples number 16. A is given here 50,000. Now R is given 20% increase. The population increase means the plus. So R is equal to, there is the formulas 100 plus 3%. So 3 upon 100 means the 103 upon 100 means the 1.03. So R is equal to 1.03. Increasing 20% to 100, there is the, we want to find out the ratio, so R is equal to 100 plus 20%, so plus 20 upon 100 percentage always it is in the 100. Now what is the n is equal to end of 6. So we takes it is the 7. Apply the formulas. Tn is equal to a r raised to n minus 1. A is given 50 lakhs, sorry, it is the 50 lakhs. Apply the formulas. 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50, 50 lakhs. R is given, there is the 1.03 raised to n minus 1, so 7 minus 1. So it is the 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 50 lakhs, 50 lakhs into 1.03 raised to 6. Now use the log tables or use your calculators and give the simplification. So we get it is the approximate, here it is the 2388104.5930. 5930. So population after the 6 years, it is the approximate, we takes it is the population never in the decimal point. So we convert here it is the 5 decimal after the decimal point 5 or more than 5. So at the 1, so it is the 105, 2388105 approximate. Now illustrate examples number 17. Government decided to fix the depreciation rate. Now here new machines, and every year there is the price decreasing. So there is the depreciation of the machine 15% per years. Depreciation here percentage it is given 15 years. If the purchase price of a machine is 50,000, find the values of the machine after the 7 years. After 7 years. In previous examples also I discussed after the 6 years. So we take the 6 plus 1, and here after the 7 years means the 7 plus 1 it is the 8. So there is the beginning price here it is given machine, it is the 50,000. So A is equal to 50,000. A is equal to 50,000. Now R is given, there is the in previous there is the increasing, so 100 plus increasing, so plus, and depreciation means that it is the values is the decreasing, so it is the minus. So 100 minus 15% upon 100, so 85 upon 100 means the 0.85. Now n is equal to, there is the after the 7 years, so we take the after, so we takes it is the n is equal to 8, n is equal to 8. Now apply the formulas. Tn is equal to a r raised to n minus 1 is equal to, A is given 50,000 multiplied by, there is the ratio 0.85 raised to 8. Now 8 minus 1, n minus 1, so it is the 50,000 multiplied by 0.85, 8 minus 1 it is raised to 7. Now use your log tables, otherwise calculators. So we can finally we can find out the result. Here it is the 16028.8544, means the approximate it is the 16028 point, that is the 85 up to 2 decimal point, up to 2 decimal pointer. So here in up to illustrate 17 we apply the find out the terms. Now we find out the sum. We find out the sum. Sum means the plus. In AP also you will learn the find out the sum, and now here it is in the GP how to find out the sum of the series. So meaning of the series, now what is the series? AR raised to AR square, AR cube, and so on. Now we want to find out the sum of the series. Means suppose series is in the form, there is the AR square, AR cube, and so on, and we want to find out the sum of the n terms. Sum denoted by Sn is equal to A plus AR plus AR square plus AR cube plus so on. So now today I discuss about the sum of the series. What is the meaning of the sum of the series? So here it is a series and we find out the sum. Now there is your page number 285. There is some formulas here it is given. We shall accept the following result relating to the geometric progression without proof. There is no need to prove. Without proof, there is you must remember these formulas. There is the Tn plus 1 upon Tn is equal to R. R means the common ratio. Tn plus 1 means the second term divided by first term. Yeah, third terms divided by second term. Fourth terms divided by third term. So general format it is the Tn plus 1 upon Tn is equal to R. Then second formulas, Tn plus 1 is equal to, there is the sum here it is given and we want to convert into terms. So Tn plus 1 is equal to Sn minus 1 minus Sn, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3. Already it is in your page number 285, all these formulas given. Then here Sn is equal to Na, where R is equal to 1, where ratio here it is given, 1 here it is given, then directly we can apply the Sn formulas. There is the Na, where ratio is given 1, when ratio is given 1. And fourth formulas, Sn is equal to, now you have to remember general format of the find out the sum of the series. So Sn is equal to, there is the A into R raised to n minus 1, R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1, R minus 1, where R is not equal to 1. Already in previous there is the I say it is the R is equal to 1, then we can apply the Sn is equal to Na. So there is the Sn is equal to, you must remember formulas, Sn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. A means the first term, R means the ratio. Already I have solved so many examples. Apply these formulas and we will find out the sum of the series. And fifth formula, Sn is equal to, there is the R into Tn minus A upon R minus 1, where R is not equal to 1. There is the second formulas, Sn is equal to, there is the A into Tn minus A upon R minus 1, where R is not equal to 1, R is not equal to 1. And if R is equal to 1, then already I have discussed your formulas number 3, Sn is equal to Na. So remember these formulas, all these one, sum Sn and its formulas A into R raised to n minus 1, R minus 1. And if we want to find out the terms, so Tn is equal to AR raised to n minus 1. So terms already I have discussed about the so many examples. Now in previous periods I discussed about your some examples, remaining illustrate examples. I start with the illustrate examples number 18 in next periods. So thank you so much.